Hello dear champions, welcome to the most comprehensive preparation platform for all competitive exams, BYJU'S Exam Prep. Dear friends, whenever we feel bored in our day-to-day life, what we do? In the earlier days, everybody used to play physical games or watch movies by going to or rushing to theaters, or listen to music with the tape recorder or Walkman, or by chit-chatting with the friends physically by meeting. But today era changed, right? Today, what you do when you feel bored, you might be doing the same. Chit-chatting with the friends, listening to music, watching movies, or playing games. But today, unfortunately, everything became not physical but virtual. Yes, I am telling truth. Today we are chit-chatting with the friends in WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We are playing games in mobiles or computers online. And today we listen to music over maybe Spotify kind of online apps, right? And also we watch movies not with the video cassette or rushing to theaters. We have got a OTT kind of platform like Netflix, Amazon Prime, right? So the world is changing and we have seen enormous development in the technology, right? The world totally becoming computerized. So there will be many opportunities in the computer world, computer platform. Yes, that is what we can understand by looking at the society. But in the academics, are we taught about this game development or app development or any other development, how these are used? No. Then what we learn in the academics? We learn programming languages with a note that these languages are used later in everywhere. But definitely I am sure you all might be wondered, have this unanswered question, array, is this a C language, C++, Java, Python, are these languages really used anywhere? Are we simply learning? Right? So, if you are on the same note with the same question, same query, same doubt, you are in the right session. Today, I would be giving the real-time examples, for programming languages, real-time applications. So guys, playing games is definitely fun, and knowing what is used for those games is learn with fun. So why late? Let us get into the session. I am Satya, welcoming you all for this beautiful, wonderful session. So let us start, dear friends. What are the real-time applications of programming languages? Firstly, what would be the real-time applications of C language and C++? Let me tell you. Guys, by looking at these applications, definitely you will be wondered, definitely you will start coding, because you will gain interest, you will gain motivation by this. Okay, mark my words. So what are the real-time applications of C++? Here we are. C language and C++ are used in compilers. Array, compiler. Why we use compiler? To convert high-level language to machine language, right? So in many compilers, dear friends, this C language and C++ is used. So if you are good at these languages, then if you know this compilation procedure, the steps in the compilation, then yes, you are ready for designing the compiler. So let's see what are the compilers which are developed using C and C++. Here we are, the one of famous compilers is Clang compiler. LLVM and Clang compiler use C language and some C++ language. Okay, and the famous compiler which we generally use in our colleges, in our academic platforms for practicing C language, which is a DevC. This is based on C language. And MNZW compiler. MNZW compiler. This is also one of the popularly used compiler. This is based on C programming language and Apple C. Apple C language, Apple C compiler. This also used C and C++. So, you learn any high level language. There are many people around you who learn languages. But along with the language, if you can learn this compiler design, then guys, definitely you will be hot cake. So, C, C++ are used for compiler code. And another popular application, real-time application, which we use in day-to-day life is browsers. What are the browsers we commonly use? Yes, you name. The first, I definitely believe you will be naming this, Google Chrome, right? This Google Chrome browser code used C language and C++. Of course, there are, see, any browser or any application is incorporation of multiple, not only front end, not only back end, not only scripting language, right? So, C language, C++ are used in this browser development along with some other, undoubtedly. And ThinkBird. This is another browser which may not be used here, but in abroad countries this browser is used popularly. And yes, Firefox, Mozilla Firefox browser also use C language and C++. Okay, so compilers use C language and C++. Yes, browsers use. Yes, what else? Games. Guys, definitely I believe whenever you were browsing in the internet, I believe every one of you might have played this dino game. Just with the space bar, whenever you get a hurdle, by pressing up arrow, the dino used to jump. Whenever the internet goes off, automatically you might have seen the dino game. This one, you recall? This dino game, you recall? This dino game backend, if you see the code, is full of C and C++. And recall some other games which we used to play mostly few years ago. Tic-Tac-Toe. Another game that we play is Tic-Tac-Toe, right? Where there are 3 by 3 matrix and you are supposed to place XO. We know these rules. So for this Tic-Tac-Toe game design also C and C++ are used. What else? What else? Yes, this is snake game and the first shooter gun game. I think you are all able to recall these games whenever the desktop computers we used mostly. These are the very popular games, and when we have got the basic mobile phones, GSM or CDMA mobile phones, there we used to see this snake game. I played a lot this snake game. Have you? And this snake game is based on C language and C++. first shooter game, this shooting game, it is also based on C and C++ and Doom 3 game. This I have not played, but this game is also based on C and C++. So C, C++ used for compiler design, C, C++ used for browsers, C, C++ used for games. Not only this, for GUI applications like Adobe Illustrator. You know Adobe PDF? So it has many products. So Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Premiere, which are graphical user interface applications for text processing and for security, for compression. Many features are there, photoshopping, many features are there. So those applications are developed using C and C++. And it's not yet over, guys. Operating systems also, OS code also used C language and C++, C hash. When I say Windows operating system, today we are using Windows 11, Windows 13 maybe, whatever the latest Windows operating system you take, majorly it used C language, C++, C hash. And yes, C has evolved from this, we know. So Unix operating system on which the C language is written. In turn, C language supports this Unix operating system. So to develop operating system code, to develop coding for games, to develop coding for browsers, to develop coding for GUI applications, to develop coding for these browsers. So where there is no programming language, now I think you started motivating. Yes, whatever the programming language you learn in your academics, it is going to be definitely useful. So these are some real-time applications of C, C++. Some of these you might know, some of these might not. I think with this you know. Now let's see what are the real-time applications of Java. Undoubtedly, one application every one of you know. Today, smartphones, Android operating system they use with the apps in the smartphones. So, mobile apps in the Android operating system definitely use Java, right? Definitely, even a non-computer student also can guess this. Yes, your guess is correct. Undoubtedly, for mobile apps like Google Earth, Spotify, Uber, Opera Mini and Twitter. So for social networking websites, for navigation website, for Uber kind of traveling website, for browser like Opera Mini, and for this entertainment website Spotify, all these apps are developed using C language. Using Java language, and it is used for desktop or mobile GUI like Adobe Reader used Java. Think Free Office, which is a office suite like MS Office for us. It is another popularly used office suite for MS, for Word, Excel, PowerPoint kind of things. So these are based on Java language, and Java is used even in the artificial intelligence technology. Yes, I agree, Python is most used for AI, ML, data science today, trending, I don't deny, but though Python is trending, still Java still persists its footprint in AI, ML, data science. So where this Java is used in artificial intelligence? For this thermostat, means automatic room temperature control. Today you see in some advanced environments, automatically lights go off, lights go on, or the temperature is automatically controlled in the cars, in the aeroplanes or in some environments. So that is artificial intelligence technology uses Java programming. And yes, Netflix. Who don't know Netflix? This Netflix suggests what to watch, what are popular. So based on your interest, based on your watch history, Netflix, whenever you log in and open, it suggests some movies, some series, some videos for you. That suggestion is based on AI technology. It used Java. And yes, do you identify what it is? Siri. The app, the application which is there in iPhone. Siri technology, which is again AI based technology, used Java. And this is one more popular AI technology, Alexa. So just with the voice control, you can play whatever you want. This Alexa also used Java. So artificial intelligence has the Java role. Mobile applications, Java role. GUI applications has Java role. Internet applications has Java role. So guys, if you want to build your career in the computer field, start learning any two programming languages, whatever. Here I am just giving some popular real-time applications of C, C++ and Java. I am not concluding these are the only applications. We have many wide set of applications for every programming language. So whatever the language you know, learn completely, learn with dedication. Definitely one of the opportunities is waiting for you. Okay? I believe, yes, you have learned today, you got to know where these programming languages like C, C++, Java used in our real-time applications. So guys, definitely learning is fun. If you really learn with interest, learn with commitment, learn with dedication, any learning is fun. So guys, I wish you a happy learning, all the very best. That's all with this session. Thank you so much for watching it patiently, and please do like the session, share and subscribe to our BYJU'S Exam Prep YouTube channel, and please enable your notifications. Stay tuned. See you. Take care. All the very best. Thank you. Bye-bye guys.